Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'd like to share with you this Approved Used Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line. The Tiguan is powered by a 2.0 TDI 200PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. It finished in a lovely metallic Pyrite Silver with R-Line body styling and offers some exceptional exterior features. Optionally fitted extras for this Tiguan include a panoramic sunroof and Swivelling Towbar. To the side, you can see the stylish 20-inch Misano black diamond-turned alloy wheels, and to the front, the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility and automated activation. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you can see the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. The two folding rear seats can be adjusted in the boot to provide space for 2 extra passengers. This is perfect for bigger families or larger groups. Into your rear seating, you'll see that the interior has the lovely Greyson sports cloth upholstery with a central folding armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front, you can find vent controls and a USB port. Coming into the cabin now, and you'll find the R-Line branded front sport seats that guarantee comfort with every drive, alongside other features such as storage inside the adjustable armrest, cup holders and USB ports. The heated multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through various options that include drive data, assist systems, navigation, audio and telephone. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels with the radio feature. You can also connect your phone for hands-free use. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Assistant will activate the car's built-in IQ Drive. There are various other ways to play media, such as through Bluetooth. Volkswagen's App Connect provides Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto, furthering device connectivity. Vehicle shows the car's available settings alongside drive data. Sound allows you to customise the equaliser settings of your speakers and position of audio output. Below the display, you can find the Tiguan's 3-zone climate control system with heated front seat capabilities. The Tiguan is also equipped with front and rear parking sensors, allowing you to park up stress-free. A variety of drive modes is also available for the Tiguan, allowing you to customise the experience of your drive. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS button, LED reading lights and controls for the panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. If you'd like more information on this vehicle, please visit the link in the description below, or if you'd like to speak to a member of our sales team, please contact 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.